How to set up Outlook automatic reply in 2024. This is a complete tutorial in front of you. As you can see, I have opened Outlook in front of me, that is Outlook here on my screen. You can see this is my inbox here. On the left there is an option to create a new message, then I can create to or send to anyone of here. But how we can do this thing as labeled in our account? For doing this, you have to type here anything you want, whatever you want to type just on your screen, and after that you have to enter the recipient numbers on the two section. Like my Gmail ID is manviki012@gmail.com. You have to enter the recipient email on the two section to send it them, or setting on this. As here you can see, you on this menu you have to type whatever you want to get as ASAP reply or a automatic reply. You can simply type this query or message in this particular section, as you can see under the two section of this account. So I will type thanks for sending a message and automatic reply, and I will set it up. Now I have entered it. What we have to do is simply enter the recipient. In this section we have to enter our message, what we have to send. Like I want to send. And yes, this is the video. Thank you so much for watching it, and please subscribe to our channel for watching more updates, reviews and videos like this.